The Yakima FullSwing 4-bike carrier stands out for its swing-away arm that lets you move a fully loaded rack to access the rear of your vehicle without unloading anything. Its hitch mounting system uses a locking knob and automatic pin that make installation onto a 2-inch receiver fast, secure, and free of loose tools rolling around. Padded support arms and sturdy cradles hold up to 4 bicycles, with each position rated for around 40 pounds, so bikes stay stable and protected from frame scratches on rough roads. Quick-release straps make it easy to load and unload different bike styles, and the rack geometry works well with everything from hardtail mountain bikes to most road and hybrid frames. When you are not hauling bikes, the rack folds down toward the vehicle, keeping the profile compact so it is less in the way for daily driving or parking. The overall build feels reassuringly heavy-duty, reflecting Yakima's long focus on safe, user-friendly gear for carrying outdoor equipment on cars, trucks, and sport utility vehicles.